Hello everyone, welcome to Champions TV GH. We give you exciting and tech related content on this channel. As you click on the link or as you are watching this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post, and always be the first person to watch our videos. Moreover, after watching the video, share your ideas, share your views in the comment section. I'll reply you as well. Let's move on to today's topic. Today's topic, I want to teach you all the simple and secret short codes for all networks. It works on all networks in Ghana, and with this you get cheap and affordable data bundles. And this is my surprise as your Christmas gift. Follow me and stay tuned. I'm revealing all the short codes to you. Intro.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again, home of creativity.
Everyone, so let's start. So the short code that I'm coming to review to you. What's the short code? The short code is just an ordinary number which has hashtag and the star sign in it, of which a user dials it and gives him his or what he wanted to do. So let's say if you dial *124# hash, *124# is going to give you what you're expecting. And these short codes are going to give to you. It works on all networks. Some of the short codes works on other networks, but these short codes are working on the network you are using in Ghana, whether Glo, whether ᶑᵏᵏ, whether Surfline, whether MTN, and the last one is Tele. The first one on my list, which is here, is *899* 111* 1560#. Although it's long, but I still call it a short code. Yeah, the first one here is *899* 11* 1560#. I'll show it to you on the screen so that it won't be long. In this video, I want it to be very, very short and quick, so I won't dial it and preview it on my phone on the screen as I used to do on my previous video. You can check on my previous video. I've made a video of which I showed you how to buy and everything, but this video I'm just showing you the short code. I'll make another video showing you everything. And with this one, MTN, 1 GB of MTN is exactly 5 cedis, and you can purchase from there, and it's very nice. And the exciting part is that it is doesn't expire. It's unlimited. Yeah, it doesn't expire. The next one on my list here is also on all the networks, and the short code is *203* 111* 1560#. Of course, it looks similar to the other one, but for this one, ᶑᵏᵏ 1 GB is 5 cedis. It doesn't expire, and this one doesn't have telecell office in it, but MTN is 6 cedis here, so you can come and try. I have another one here. Let's move on to the third one. The third one here, you can enjoy affordable data bundles for all networks, and this is the short code for the third one. The short code here is *889* 810# *889* 810#. And these are the top 3 short codes that I would like you to purchase, and they are new ones on this channel. It will be very nice if you are able to purchase them, and since it doesn't expire and everything. Moreover, I want you to go and check the other videos of which I taught you similar thing like this. The first one was *920* #116#. I'm adding it to this one for you, but I'm sure a lot of you knew since it had a lot of views. So let me wrap up on how to buy the data on all these networks, on all these short codes. So how to buy? You first dial the short code I've given to you. Then you select option 1, which is internet data. After selecting the option 1, to take you to choose the network that you prefer, which is Glo, MTN, Vodafone, or Telecel, Airtel, Tigo, and the rest. Some will be surprised when I'm saying Glo because it's US and we are in Ghana. I think me in Koforia, we still experience the Glo. Partly here, I think I've been getting one signal network and things. Hope you understand. And option 4, what you need to do is you select the package you want. It ranges from 500 megabytes to 100 gigabytes. So me, for instance, I've been buying 5 gigabytes daily. You can do the same thing, my brother. Then you enter receipt number, you confirm, then you purchase through airtime or mobile money. When you select mobile money, you enter a Momo pin there, wait and to be delivered. And note that some of them may take long due to some traffic. A certain one I bought and it took for 3 hours before it came. It can delay, so terms and conditions are applied as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Champion µ is still here to serve you better. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share the videos to others. Make sure you share your thoughts and views in the comment section. ᶑᵏᵉ.